Jai Srimannarayana. 30th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yo mam pasyati sarvatra sarvancha mayi pasyati tasyaham na pranasyami sacha me na pranasyati. Om. See Paramatma everywhere and see everything in Paramatma. Realize the similarity of all the Atmas to yourself. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall try to see you everywhere and I shall try to see everything in you. I shall try to realize the similarity of all the jivas, all the atmas to myself. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava, sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu." Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 10th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra." In that process, Parikshin Narendra asking like this, "O Sri Sukha Yogindra, Paramatma's divine stories supposed to be told by Guru to Sishya. That means it is coming in a tradition. So here, those who are in this world and more inclined towards mundane pleasures, experiencing mundane pleasures, they will not show any interest in listening to Paramatma's divine story and divine attributes. But those who are not inclined towards these mundane pleasures, they will enjoy and experience Paramatma's divine stories. O Yogendra, those who are revolving in the cycle of birth and death. For them, listening to Paramatma's stories, listening to Paramatma's divine attributes is like a great bhava aushadhat. It's like a great medicine for them to come out of this cycle. Other than those who are animal killers and other than those who are destroyers of themselves, who would not more interested in listening to Paramatma's divine miraculous activities, Paramatma's divine attributes. Like that, Parikshit Narendra saying to Sri Sukha Yogindra. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 30th sloka. Yo mam pasyati sarvatra sarvancha mayi pasyati tasyaham nah pranasyami sacha me na pranasyati. Yo mam pasyati sarvatra sarvancha mayi pasyati tasyaham na pranasyami sacha me na pranasyati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.